How to change your HP Instant Ink plan. On your computer or mobile device, open a browser and go to hpinstantink.com/sign-in. Enter your credentials to sign into your account. A printer drop-down menu is available when there are multiple printers enrolled. Select the drop-down menu and then select the printer you want to change your plan for. On the right side of the overview menu, you will see the Plan Details section. In this section, select Change Plan. From here, you will be able to see a list of available plans as well as your current plan. Select the plan that you would like to change to from the list of available plans. Any option on your current plan level, such as Instant Ink plus paper, changes automatically to the new plan level. If you upgrade your plan, you can choose whether the change is applied immediately or in the next billing cycle. If you downgrade, your plan automatically changes on the first day of the next billing cycle. Note: your rollover maximum changes with your new plan, so you might lose rollover pages if you have accumulated more than your new plan maximum. You then receive an email confirmation for the plan change. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.